Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to add numbers or letters in a sequence in AutoCAD using an AutoCAD Lisp. First, load the AutoCAD Lisp. Enter Upload, then choose your Lisp and load it. Type N, M, to insert increasing ascending integers. Then, specify the increment and the starting number. Type A, Z, Z, to inset ascending alphabet letters. Then, enter the starting letter. Finally, type A, D, to insert text with ascending alphabet letter. Then, enter the starting letter and the prefix text.